if you have x to the power 10 is equals to 5 and x to the power 9 on y is equals to 5,555, y will be 1 over xy. We're going to utilize all the information that they have given us. Let's start from here. It's 555, so let me factor the 5 out because of this 5. And I get 1,111 here. Since this is equal, I'm going to replace the 5 with x to the power 10. We need the x to come down here, so I'm going to divide both sides by x to the power 10. Remember, every number is over 1, so you will see that this and this will go away. This will flip, x to the power 10 will come down here. So we'll get x to the 9 over y to the x to the 10. And this equals 1,111. This will reduce this one by 9, and here will go away, so we will get 1. And we can write the x first, x followed by the y, and this equals to 1,111. And that is the answer.